Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Saturday, October 14th. Time is around 11:15 GMT, and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Wanda platform. So it's Saturday, markets are closed, but we will have a look at the higher time frame and also prepare the lower time frame for Monday, October 16th. So here we are looking at the weekly chart, and my take on the Dow Jones is that we did a wave one up here. We came down as a wave two. So three waves down, one, two, three, ABC structure, wave two low in right here. And so then from here, we might be working on a new impulse up. So a wave three here of the higher degree. But of course, we do not go there in a straight line. We should go there as five waves. And so for now, I believe we are working here on this wave one. So this is what I see on the weekly chart. What is important now here in the weekly is that here we are in a downward cycle. So we broke the upward cycle. We are in a downward cycle. So I believe it's very important to to also consider the bearish scenarios. Although we are overall bullish in the Dow Jones, as you can see, we might put our attention on the bearish scenarios as well, and this is what we will do. So first of all, what could happen here in the weekly as a bearish scenario, that would be that here the wave 2 low was not in yet, but that we are doing a flat structure, so that we come down here in 3, 1, 2, 3 as a wave A. Then this here, this whole move up is something corrective as a wave B, so like this, and that we are now working on a wave C down in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will take out this low, and then we will eventually reach the wave 2 area. This would be my bearish scenario in the weekly, but for now, it's not really worth putting our focus on this scenario, because the current price level is here. We are or the low was in right here, so there is quite some separation. So I think it's better first to consider some other scenarios before we switch to this extremely bearish scenario where we take out this low. But I just want to share this with you because it is something that is definitely possible from an Elliott Wave point of view. So then if we go to the daily, here we can see the bearish scenario I would focus on for the moment. And so that bearish scenario would look like, from this wave 2 low, we had a wave 1 up here. But instead of this wave 2 down being in, we might still be working on this wave 2 as an expanded flat. And so that would mean, here indicated in red, that we are coming down here as a wave A, 1, 2, 3. Then this part here is something corrective up, overshooting wave B. This is what was happening here. And then what we should see from here is 5 waves down as a wave C into this area to finish the wave 2. So our wave 2 area we can find by taking the length of the wave 1, and then we know that the wave 2 should go into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. So that would be the bearish scenario I would first focus on before we switch to the completely bearish one that I showed you here in the weekly time frame, where we have a wave C down here taking out this low. So if we then further elaborate on this scenario in the 4 hour, it looks like this. No, let me first repeat the primary scenario here. Yeah, I would say primary, but for the moment, I'm a bit indifferent between the two scenarios. Much will depend on what we will do here in the lower time frame. I will discuss this in a minute. But here, the scenario in green says that we had our wave 1 here, we had our wave 2 low, and we started our wave 3 here to the upside. So this wave 3 should again happen in 5 waves. And so then here, this might be a leading diagonal as a wave 1, doing the wave 2 right now, or the wave 2 should be finished actually right here in the wave 2 area. So if we take the length of our wave 1, then we know that the wave 2 should finish here in the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. We went into this area, and then from here we should get an impulse up as a wave 3. So now, if we continue with these two scenarios in the 4 hour, it looks like this here. So as you can see, the scenario in green shows that we have a complete correction down. This here is our wave 2 area, and we came down here as wave A first. Then we had a triangle structure here as a wave B, and then from here we had this impulse down as a wave C. So if we take the length of our wave A, the length of our wave B, then this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the area where our wave C should end. And as you can see, we had a nice reaction to the upside from this area. Now, does that mean that our wave 2 is in? It could still be actually that we are working here on a wave C down. So then, where is my wave C? Okay, it's not indicated on the 4 hour chart, but I showed you here in the daily. So I mean this wave C right here. Let me put it also on the 4 hour, so like this, and I will also put this here on the 4. Okay, this should be visible on the 4 hour. Yeah, so now here the 4 hour chart, so that we are working on this wave C down here, and then we would have wave 1 down, a wave 2, then this here is our wave 3, and we are currently at wave 4 area. So if we take the length here of the wave 3, then our wave 4 is supposed to go into the area between the 0.146 and the 0.618 FIB retracement. And as you can see, we are currently at this area. So we did not break the upper boundary here of this area. So therefore, I still have to keep this on my charts as an alternative. So much will depend on what we will do from here. And this is what we then analyze on the 1 hour time frame. So if we look further at this, so the move we had so far is, in my opinion, only 3 waves. I would count this as 1, 2, 3. We did the 4, or we are doing the 4, but we still need a fifth wave up in order to classify this as an impulse. For the moment, this is not an impulse for me. This is only three waves, 1, 2, 3. And if it is three waves, it can also be corrective. So A, B, C, as indicated here in red. So what actually needs to happen is we need to take out this high here. If we do not do this, then then I would consider this structure here just as a corrective move up. And if this is a corrective move up, it means that it will be followed by an impulsive move down. And then we will take out this low here, and we will see further downside here as an impulse as our fifth wave. Getting close to this region here, or going into that region even. So now what's crucial on the lower time frame? It's already crucial for some days. I'm very aware of this, but I cannot force the market to make a decision. We just have to stay cool and wait till we have some more clues about what will happen. But the situation is now that we are in wave 4 area here in green. So suppose that we are looking for an impulse up. This is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3. And then now we are working on wave 4. And so if we take the length here of the wave 3, then this area here between the 0.146 and the 0.618 is the area where we should go as a wave 4. So it is still possible to make this fifth wave up. We might have started even this fifth wave up if the wave 4 is low in. If the wave 4 low is in right here, we might have started the wave 5 up. However, it could also be that we are doing something like this, that we take out this low here one more time, that we then have the wave 4 and then the fifth wave up. This is also something that can happen. But in order to to speak about or if we want to have confirmation that our wave 2 correction down is finished in the higher time frame, so that this low will hold, then I would definitely like to see this fifth wave up. If we do not see this fifth wave up, but if we start to if we see more downside from here, taking out here the lower boundary of the wave 4, then I think the fifth wave down is coming, and it will take some more time before we see upside again in the Dow Jones. So we have to be patient. We have to further analyze the situation day by day. But currently, the situation is that we can still go both ways. It would really help us, like if we would take out this high here, that we see this fifth wave. Of course, then we still need the retest of the low here as a wave 2, but a fifth wave up would be a first good indication for the bullish case. So the bullish case in the sense that the low hold and that we have the wave 2 in the higher degree. If we do not get this fifth wave, then I think we can assume the fifth wave to the downside will play out, and we will take out this low right here. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you on Tuesday for another analysis of the lower time frame. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.